I lost a lot of FundingPips account. But not only I've been losing my FundingPips account, I end up finally passing phase 1, phase 2. I got funded, and as I'm making this video, I secured a $4,000 payout. That's really cool. And as I told you guys that if I do get a payout with them, I'm gonna give you guys a free account. So now that I've secured a payout, make sure you stick till the end of this video, because I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly the trade I took that allowed me to secure the payout. And at the same time, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how to enter the giveaway as well. Let's dive into it. As you can see, I'm currently on my dashboard right here. And on my last video, I told you guys that I was on phase 2. But guess what? Yeah, I lost that phase 2. Not only I lost phase 2, I bought another account, I lost it too before I buy another one, and I end up passing phase 1 and phase 2. So what happened to me is I lost a lot of accounts, pretty much like 28 accounts to be honest. And out of all of the accounts I lost, every account cost me about $200. With that Christmas discount, I think I bought some account for like $175. So I spent roughly $5,000 buying account. But let's do the calculation, because I don't want to sell you guys dream. So if I lost $5,000 in challenge fee, and once I do get this account right here, I end up making $4,000. So this 4,000 I made here, I think I even made 4,000 something, right? If I'm not mistaken, 4,300 or something. So the 4,000 I made here, after profit split, I'm probably gonna get like 3,000 or maybe 3,500. So if I do get 3,500, what happened is I recovered some of the losses of that account, like the challenge fee. So all I need to do is get another payout, and that would allow me to just recover every single fee and make more money. So here, all to say that even when you lose account while you are trading, obviously when you're gonna get that live account, get one pair, you're gonna get all the money back. So don't be afraid to lose account. You're obviously gonna lose account, but like get payout, you're gonna get your money back, right? So now let's come on my chart. I'm gonna show you guys exactly the trade that made me that amount of money. I didn't just take one trade, I took 2 trades. Okay, the first trade was a loss, and if I have to be like really honest with you guys, so the first trade I took was like this one right here, and this one I would have closed it in profit, bro, because I just didn't see price. I didn't notice when price got here. Yeah, so this was the first trade right here, and this was the stop loss. I lost money this day, about 2%. And then this was basically today, like when market closed yesterday, when market reopened, I took this buy right here. So why did I take this buy here? Okay, to expand this buy, I want to make it like really simple for you guys. So let me try to replay here, and then let me come to the 5-minute chart. So whenever I take a trade, I always make sure that price market structure is on one way, right? So if market is bullish, I want to buy. If market bearish, I want to sell. And the market structure is very simple. I want to see price creating something like this. Okay, so if price is doing this, then I want to buy. So in this case here, what are you seeing price doing? Price is creating new highs, right? So yeah, so this is what price did, this is what price did, and this is what price did. So I was expecting price to keep doing this again and again. Okay, so once price was doing all of this, in normal time I would be waiting for price to come and hit this sort of breaker block right here. So this breaker block, I think, yeah, this whole breaker block here, this would be the one I would be waiting for price to come and hit. But you can see that price didn't quite hit it. Okay, price just came close, but I didn't hit. So if price didn't hit, why did I buy it anyway? Okay, there is one concept I use that is called support and resistance, and I've explained all of that on my PDF. Okay, that PDF costs $15. Go and check it out, link in my description below, right? So this line I put right here, this particular line there, what is a support line? Okay, why is the support line? As I said, all the answers in the book below. So since I have this support line here, all I did is I waited for price to come and hit that support line. And once price hit that support line, price was creating some funny things. If I zoom in here, you'll see that what did price do? When price was coming to this line, it came and hit, it went up, it came and hit, it went up. So when price doing here, most of the time when price come to this zone, price create manipulation 3 times. So this is the first manipulation, this is the second manipulation, and this is the third manipulation. So right after this third manipulation here, and price like end up closing like pretty much above, I just click buy, right? And when I click buy here, where did I set my stop loss? So what I did is, I know that well below here you also have this sort of order block right here, and then price can obviously come and tap this guy as well. So I just added enough space below this that if price somehow like go a bit down, I'm not gonna lose any money anyway. So once I take this sort of trade, where was my TP? To be honest with you, my TP was really high. Like I was expecting something like this as TP. but I end up closing it here because yeah, this trade was basically above 3R. I was down 2% and I made, I think, about 4% on this trade right here. So what did I do? I closed it. So it recovered the 2% loss and I made 2% on this trade as well. So that's like $4,000 payout. And since I'm trading the two-step pro has weekly payout. So my payout is next week on Monday, and once I get payout on Monday, I'm gonna have another payout again. So I'm getting 4 payout in a month. So if I'm getting 4 payout in a month, I don't really need to go for a fat payout. If I get 4K payout this week and I get 4K payout next week, that's $8,000. You see, like I don't really need to go for 5 figures payout on a single payout because I have payout weekly. So this basically explains the reason why I took this trade and the reason why I'm trading 50K as well, right? So as I said, I'm not giving you guys free account, but again, and I'm always gonna tell you guys, if you guys want to trade forex, especially with Propfirm, feel free to check out FundingPips. The two-step pro is the best, very affordable, and you have weekly payout at 80% profit split. There are little to no Propfirm that give you 80% profit split at weekly without consistency, without anything. Okay, so the two-step pro is the cheat code. If you want to buy an account, feel free to use the coupon code AstuceFX to have 20% off on your first FundingPips two-step pro account, right? You can buy any other one, but two-step pro is the best and it's also cheap. If you use 20% off again, you can basically get 100K for like $350. And if I made 4K with 200K, you know how much you can make weekly on 100K, right? So that would be pretty much it for this video. If you want a free account, comment below why you deserve a free account. I'm gonna choose a few of you guys and give you guys some free account as well to start your year with FundingPips. That would be pretty much it for this video. See you guys on my next trading content.